Okay, so the way you play cross solve is you have a grid of 5 by 5 numbers, so 25 numbers, and on the side you have sums, which repeat left and right and top and bottom. They're the same numbers. So the numbers on the side, they represent sums. So 10 is supposed to be the sum of all the numbers on this first row. The problem is right now it doesn't sum to 10 because we have 5 plus 8 is 13, 14, 15, 20. So we need to get to 10. One option in my case would be probably to remove both 5s. Okay, that is wrong. 9, no, that's 12. Okay, so let's try 10 and 10. Okay, so we have the row summing to 10. It gets highlighted and it gets validated. So now let's move on to the second row. The whole point of this game is you validate all the rows and columns so that they are correct. You can remove or re-add back in the game the numbers by tapping on them to disable and enable them, and you have a limited number of tries you can make. If it reaches 0, the game ends. And the whole point of this game is you solve as many grids as possible before you run out of steps. Okay, so let's move on to the second row. So, okay, let's make it 13. Okay, 9. Okay, let's go with that. 10. Okay, that is not 14. No. 12, 16. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we have all the rows validated. The problem is none of the columns sum properly. So we're supposed to get 11 on this column, and right now we're at 15, 21, 22, I think, so that is wrong. So the way I try to solve it is I try to change numbers from one specific row. For example, we have 1 here, but we also have 1 here. So if we switch, the row remains valid, but we have changed stuff in the column. It's still not solved, so let's try making some more changes. Okay. So, okay, so in this example, we're supposed to end up with 9. Right now we're on 2. I think we're supposed to have 7 active. The problem is if we make 7 active, we're gonna break this row. I'm thinking if we enable 7, disable 6, and enable 1. Oh wait, that is wrong. Let me 8, 9. Okay, so we have to disable. Okay. Now we have still all the rows solved and 1 column complete, also solved. Okay, let's try and fix some more. 10. Okay, I think 4 is supposed to be active here, most likely, but we have to keep this row solved, so 13. Okay, so if we do, okay, no, I don't know. Okay, 14, 16. Okay. Okay, let's try this and this. Okay, that is good. We need to solve 2 more columns. Let's see. So we have 31 more steps, or tries, I guess. Okay, what if we do this? I don't know if that changed anything. We're at 14, 16. We need a 3. Okay, let's try this. And this. Okay, that was it. We got, so with every grid solved, you get 5 extra steps. And right now we're at 35. We start with 50. So yeah, like I said, that's how you play the game. You solve as many grids as you can. and if you run out of tries, the game ends, or you can just simply close and end the game early, I guess. So yeah, that's it.